Peace and prosperity be unto all who's listening and watching. It's your girl, Lachey Miller, right? And I'm back with another video. And today, I'm talking about the top suggestion idea videos for your channel that will help you grow. But these are also trending ideas. These are also video ideas that get you views, but not just views, subscribers, and people who will watch your channel. You know, watch time is very important with YouTube. Subscribers is great, but the watch time is better because you want people to watch your videos. You want people to stay on your videos for a long time. So without further ado, because this video is very long, I'm going to get right into it. So you want to talk about top videos. You can make a video like this. Top video suggestions like this. How-to videos. How to make a YouTube channel. Any video that teaches you how to do anything is a number one, you know, like a big genre. Morning/night affirmations. Those are really popular. Affirmations in general. You could, if you're a spiritual person, you could talk about spiritual awakening. You can speak of religion. Many people do. You can do trends, like the top trends that are going on in society now. You could talk about the trends that are going on, maybe the social media platforms or the trending clothes or trending shoes. You could talk about that. You could talk about tradition and, you know, that type of stuff. You could do food tutorials because people love food cooking channels. That is pretty great. You could do paint tutorials because people love to see people paint. It is very satisfying. I don't know why, but some things are oddly satisfying to the mind. You can do tips. You can do random tips. You can do venting. People like to hear people rant and complain sometimes. And not necessarily, you know, in a negative sense, but just give your opinion about something. Meditation video, how you meditate, you know, teach people how and how you find balance within yourself. So like some more spiritual stuff. If you're someone who's into motivational like my channel, you can deliver value. So you create content around giving people what they need. You can do a how-to. The how-to videos I would suggest is how to draw, how to paint specific whatever, how to accomplish your goals, how to become more organized, how to become a YouTuber, how to become TikTok famous, which I'm not, but how to obtain self-esteem, how to motivate yourself to change your behavior, okay? Tips on saving money, tips on starting a YouTube channel, okay? Tips on how to be a good friend, okay? Relationship advice, okay? Tips on getting your life together or how you got your life together. You can show people based on where you once were, like something like a transformation video, because transformation videos are really powerful on YouTube right now. So like a hair tutorial, clothing hauls, challenges. Gaming channels are really popular. If you're a gamer, you definitely want to get on YouTube and make you a gaming channel because people are really into that, watching you get, you know, shoot things and, you know, have fun with that. Reaction videos are really big. You can react to other things. I wouldn't suggest reacting to music. If it's not your music, I wouldn't suggest posting music on YouTube because it doesn't get you the coins. It doesn't make you the money. And, you know, though it may draw you attention and get you views, it just doesn't do what you want it to do. So, public interviews. Whatever topic you want to discuss or a question you want to ask in public, you ask like random people and you get their opinion about it and you do like a whole video about it. Different questions, different scenario types, different, you know, things that are going on in society that you really want to get their opinion on. World star questions. It should be many of those. There's a lot of things that go on in World Star. Some questions, okay? art hauls. I'm an artist, so that would be like a great thing. Art haul is basically me showing all the art supplies I have in my art room or whatever. I don't really have an art room, but I do have enough art to show an art haul. But when I advance, I will show more. Story time. People love and enjoy story time, and those are very viral videos on YouTube. So if you want to grow your channel, create story times. Advice. Many people need advice. Many people don't have fathers or mothers or sisters or people there to guide them. So advice is a great thing, especially if you've been there, done that. So advice based on experience, because many people don't listen regardless. Sometimes you can give advice based on experiences, but know that even when you give advice based on experience, not everybody listens, and you can't help everybody. So just remember that. Girl talk. So in videos that empower women, and then also videos that empower men. So empowering men, empowering women. You can also do your favorite playlists. Like I said, you can play certain music that isn't yours, but like I said, it won't get you the coins, but it's fine. You can definitely do those videos. Some life hacks. They have this real viral video. It's like what's on my iPhone, and where you show people what you have in your iPhone. Yeah, and then they have this another video. It's like what's in my purse. Some people consider that stuff very interesting. I'm just throwing it out there. It's not something I'm into, but these are ideas for you guys. First time video. So a first time video is your intro video, and then your second time video would be like a Q&A. So a Q&A is a questions and answers about who you are, and getting people to introducing yourself to your viewers, and getting people that understand. A day in my life. So allowing people to see what your life is really like. And just allowing people to see you. Unpopular opinions. Many people won't do that because people are not open to sharing their opinions, because people are scared to be judged. But honestly, if you want to grow, you got to step outside your comfort zone. Astrology 101. Everybody loves astrology. Everybody, not everybody fully takes the, astrology very seriously, but we all enjoy astrology, okay? I don't care who you are, what position you are. Everybody enjoys astrology to a point. ASMR, okay, by itself. And then you got AMSR paintings. And then you can do so many different things with AMSR. Then you got motivational speech. You can do motivational speech on your video, on your channel. You can do motivational videos. You can do painting for beginners, where you teach people how to paint. Right. Oh, entrepreneur talk. Teach people what it's like to be an entrepreneur, your experience based on what you've endured as an entrepreneur, just tips. Book recommendations are really important. Book reviews are great. Book readings, AMSAR. ASMR. Those are really powerful videos. Empowering speech. Zodiac signs, talking about the different zodiac signs and going into depths about each one. My journey as a writer. I'm an author, so I would blog about my journey. They say blog videos don't really get you views. Depending on how interesting you are will depend on whether people stay tuned and watch the video. My story as an entrepreneur. You talk about yourself, like I was just saying. My book story. How I became an entrepreneur, or how I became an author. That's really important. Book hauls. Like, I have a lot of books. I have a bag full of books. I can do a book haul if I wanted to. Time lancing is really good. You can do time lapses on anything, whether it's camping, cleaning, painting, anything. Just like showing people how you process and got through what you've done, and so people can see the beginning results and the end results. And most people really love that. series videos, where if you can come up with something really interesting that has this, constant series, people would tune in. And then, if they get logs onto one video where it's like in the middle of a video, they would have to go back and start watching your other videos. So drive with me. I've seen a lot of people ride around driving with their camera, so it's like vlogging and driving. So it could be dangerous. I wouldn't suggest it fully. Giveaway videos, if you're giving away something, you draw a lot of attention because people would want to figure out what you're trying to give away. Travel vlogs, people like to see you traveling, but naturally, if you're not adding value in your travel videos and teaching people something, you may lose their interest. Workout / fitness videos, if you're somebody who's all into fitness and love the workout, you should definitely do fitness videos and teach people how you got and achieved the body that you have. Life experience, just talking about the different aspects of your life and how those experiences helped you as a person. Challenges and pranks, okay? Those are really cool on YouTube. Those are big. Wash your hair routines, life routines, anything involving like how-tos, routines, or tutorials that show people how or the steps and process to do certain things. People enjoy those things a lot more. So you guys, you should just definitely do something with your channel. Just start, because starting is better than never starting at all, right? So you want to get started today. So comment, subscribe, share, and like this video if you enjoy this video that I put together for you guys. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, give me a share, give me some subscribes, and communicate with me. Tell me how you're doing. And it's peace, love, and happiness, and let's have an abundant day. Love you guys.